Windows 10 is shutting down soon, so low-end PC users must upgrade to Windows 11. However, many users still run Windows 10 and want to upgrade for a better experience. The problem? Windows 11 has higher system requirements, making it incompatible with older hardware. But don't worry, there are several lightweight versions of Windows 11 that remove unnecessary bloat and run smoothly on low-end PCs. Today, we'll introduce the top 10 lightest builds of Windows 11, designed to work even on the oldest systems. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot. Number 10, LiteOS. Looking for the most trusted custom Windows build? LiteOS is one of the best, trusted by big YouTubers, and highly rated on Trustpilot. Designed to maximize performance and minimize latency, LiteOS reduces background processes, lowers RAM usage, and boosts in-game frame rates. LiteOS removes unnecessary processes, cutting them from 145 to just 35. RAM usage drops from 2.3 GB to around 900 MB, reducing stuttering and improving overall system performance. However, note that it removes Windows Defender, restore points, and system reset, which may be a security concern. Number 9. Windows 11 Lite. Windows 11 Lite is a streamlined version that eliminates bloatware, frees up RAM, and improves CPU scheduling for a smoother experience. With fewer background processes, it runs efficiently on older PCs. Number 8. Windows 11 LTSC. Windows 11 IoT Enterprise LTSC 2024 lowers system requirements, making secure boot and TPM optional. It requires only 2 GB of RAM and is optimized for industries like healthcare, banking, and retail, where long-term stability is crucial. With unnecessary features removed, this lean version improves performance, making it a great choice for gaming and general use on low-end PCs. Number 7. Nexus LiteOS 11. Nexus LiteOS 11 is optimized for gaming, privacy, and stability. It removes non-essential features and background apps, making Windows faster and more responsive. Key features: enhanced gaming performance with fewer background processes, improved privacy by removing tracking features, stable and lightweight, making it ideal for older hardware. Number 6. Optimum 11. Optimum 11 is designed for users who want a fast, bloat-free Windows experience. Unlike standard Windows, it takes up only 4.5 GB of disk space, freeing up storage for other applications. It still supports Microsoft Store and UWP apps, and Edge and Defender are optional installs. Number 5. ReviOS Windows 11. ReviOS is a high-performance custom Windows build that enhances stability and compatibility. It breathes new life into old hardware, making applications launch faster and improving multitasking. If you have an aging PC, ReviOS can make it feel brand new again. Number 4. Tiny11. Tiny11 is a lightweight Windows 11 edition that requires minimal disk space and RAM. It's based on Windows 11 Pro 22H2 and removes unnecessary bloat while keeping essential tools like Paint, Notepad, and Calculator. It requires no TPM and takes up only 6.34 GB of storage. Number 3. Ghost Spectre 11. Ghost Spectre is a well-known custom ISO for Windows 11, available in Superlight and compact versions. The Superlight edition removes unnecessary services, while the compact version retains some essential services. If you're new to custom Windows builds, Ghost Spectre is a great starting point. Number 2. Xtreme LiteOS 11. Xtreme LiteOS 11 is optimized for low-latency gaming and maximum performance. It removes bloatware, unnecessary components, and default features like OneDrive and WordPad. It includes the Xtreme LiteOS Toolkit, a professional tool for tweaking and cleaning Windows, making it perfect for low-end PCs with at least 4 GB RAM. Number 1. Rectify 11. Rectify 11 is a redesigned version of Windows 11 that improves UI consistency and aesthetics. It removes background telemetry, eliminates TPM requirements, and enhances Windows' overall visual appeal. From redesigned installation setups to updated icons and themes, Rectify 11 is a great choice for users who want a polished Windows experience. These were the top 10 Lite versions of Windows 11 that can run on low-end PCs. Whether you want better gaming performance, improved privacy, or a simple lightweight system, there's an option for you. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content.